Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view drive episode. This time starting from the best car service in town, Arasset. I just had the oil change. The car runs flawlessly, but there will be some serious spending once again. I need to replace the AC condenser, I think, the radiators. So basically I think it's the condenser, that's how it's called. The owner of the service here told me that they saw a few spots there and they need to replace so everything that is AC radiator, then the O-rings, there are some rubber sealings or something like that. The labor, of course, and I also have to get replaced something in the front. Is not, let's say, very expensive, but it needs to be done. But this job, the AC condenser, all the AC radiators there will be somewhere between 440 and 450 euros with everything. It's just the way things are. Of course, they will take out the entire freezing agent, so at least I will not have to refill it completely once again. I found out that they can do the AC refill here as well, so in the future I will do it here. And also all the vacuum of the installation, the entire process. With age, these are something, some things that you need to take into consideration when you try to maintain an old car. It's just the way things are. Also, hopefully after this maintenance, I will not have any other leaks from the alloy pipes of the AC system, because those are also very expensive. They are quite expensive, like 100 euros, almost 100 euros each pipe, and there are 4 of them. So just to replace, just to purchase all 4 of them, it would be, let's say, 360, 400 euros tops. and the labor. Yeah, it's just the way things are, but I will have to do it. And at least everything will be done at my car service, where I truly trust the guys there. That's something you don't see every day. But for now, the car runs really impressive. Semnalizat are prioritate. Hopefully there isn't an accident. Now this is something you see only in Bucharest. Only there you can see this. Christ, man. Let's see what is up here. Yeah, there was some kind of an accident.
Nu uita să pornești luminile de întâlnire.
Yeah, yeah. Here it is. Go. Man, between at least one car and a motorcycle. You can see this stuff right here isn't helping this sewer either. Yesterday I almost went in it, but it wasn't signaled in that manner like it is right now. You couldn't even see it. I mean, if you would have had a car in front and it made a sudden change of lane like this, you would have seen that working sight in the last second. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. May your car run as well as possible without any major maintenance and expensive one. And I will see you in the next episodes. Take care wherever you are. I'll see you soon, and bye bye.